Hello, my beautiful and happy viewer. You are watching YouTube channel yesterday. This person from South Africa is a perfect example of someone who is incredibly versatile and skilled as a drawing palette. He has a sharp eye and great precision, capturing stunning visual views that give views a fresh and unique perspective of the world. His love for exploring drive him to travel and imagine themselves is different cultures and landscapes, which is turn in which is his design work by drawing inspiration from all over the world. So the name of this South African model is Mr. Robbieg. See you another next video, next part, dear viewers. Okay, take care yourself and bye bye.